gray monkey. The thief trips in panic, sending the baby ostrich flying into the cold, dry grass. The monkey quickly climbs up.
From the bushes, a spotted hyena emerges quietly with a calculating gaze. It touches its nose to the baby's trembling.
Wood splinters fly under the mother bird's heavy feet in her fury. The distance closes, but will the dense forest stop?
Suddenly, the hyena's front leg trips on a high mound, causing it to tumble sideways. Instinctively opening its mouth.
Will it retreat?
Fear overcomes hunger as the hyena quickly turns and flees for its life.
Once the enemy vanishes, the mother ostrich slowly lowers herself to tenderly care for her child.
The pair finds a cool pool of water among large rocks after the life and death moments. The mother ostrich.
Sunset turns the plain gold as the mother ostrich tenderly preens her little one's feathers.
That perseverance and courage serve as the strongest shield amidst the vast and wild nature.
How do you feel about this mother's incredible courage?
Please leave a comment below and remember to hit follow to see many more moving stories in the future.